Morning everyone. Today we are going to start with concept of entropy. The first question which comes in our mind that what is entropy? Entropy is a thermodynamic property of all substances that is proportional to their degree of disorder. Entropy is a measure of the randomness of a system. The measure of the randomness of a system. The absolute entropy for a system cannot be calculated, but the change in entropy can be measured. For a spontaneous process, total change in entropy would be equal to entropy change in a system and entropy change in surrounding also, which will be greater than 0. It is a state function which depends only on the initial and final state of the system, not on the path. For a process occurring at constant temperature, the change in entropy is equal to the heat that would be transferred if the process were reversible divided by the absolute temperature. The heat absorbed by the system changes with respect to absolute temperature may be represented as the change in entropy of the system, and the heat given by the system and the heat given by the surroundings with respect to absolute temperature is given by the change in enthalpy, the change in entropy of surrounding. In an adiabatic process, the change in entropy of surrounding will be equals to 0. It can be proved that entropy is a state function by assuming a cyclic process in which state A converts into state B reversibly. When we divide these cycle systems in small Carnot cycles, for each Carnot cycle we note the change in isothermal and adiabatic process. Only we get the summation of change in entropy is equals to 0, or it may be written as the summation of heat absorbed by the system at absolute temperature will be equals to 0 when this is integrated within the limits initial state to final state. For each Carnot cycle, we found that this integrated quantity has fixed value which does not depend on the path through which initial state changes into final state. So, hence, it proved that entropy is a state function. Carnot engine says that for all processes, irrespective of materials, entropy is a state function. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Have a good day.